this is how we check for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. You can see I have a desktop machine over my table. So in this case, I'm going to show you how you can replace your video cards or placa de video that we say in Spanish as well. You can say how you can change that. Very easy process. If you have an old video card, you want to change a new one, you can follow the process. So let's go. So here we are. You see I have an old video card. You have to put your computer as this horizontal over the table and whatever. I take the cover, it's very easy. You take out the cover, put one side, and you have to go to the process. Normally you see this is the video card. This is one screw is connected, so you have to take out this screw. I'm using a Phillips screwdriver for this purpose. You see, here we go. Here is the screw, don't lose it. And take this off from here. Normally it has some clip here. I'm gently putting a pressure on this so I can take it off. Here you see you have a clip. So blue port is for video card in most of the computer or motherboard. Here is another video card. You see the port. Depending on the port, you can have a bigger or smaller. So check the port. It has HDMI, DVI and CRT monitor port, that is VGA monitor. Now I'm gonna add this one at the same place, same way. See how easy this is. Let me show you close. So you see this side, the blue port, how it sits. You have to put exactly on the place. And after that, you have to press a gentle pressure. See, goes in. See, here is fine. And we tight this one. Nothing serious. Tight properly, sits on its place. Now is the time we're gonna see how it's working. So we connect all the cable of the computer. This is HDMI, you can see here. Put HDMI, goes inside, and the power cord, you know that. Put the power cord inside. I'm gonna hit the power button here, let's see. The computer is starting. And the monitor, you see the signal. So the video card is detected perfectly. I have to put keyboard and other things I have to connect to make it work. Okay guys, so this is very simple tutorial how you can replace or put a new video card in your desktop computer. If you guys like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. As always, for more information, go to the Ask Communication, www.askcommunication.com. Have a lovely evening. Take care till then. Bye-bye.